In the last 50 to 100 years, most gardeners have been resorting to the use of synthetic latex paint and tar-based products that slough off the plant within 1 to 2 years, contaminating garden soil. Ivory Organic 3-in-1 Plant Guard offers an all-natural protection to all plants from damaging summer sunburn, winter sunscald, and repels damaging insects and girdling rodents. Ivory Organic 3-in-1 Plant Guard is an organic and patented alternative that is almost as long-lasting as paint and OMRI certified for organic gardening. Contents include a base powder and oil vial. The vial contains the following 7 oils: castor, cinnamon, clove, garlic, peppermint, rosemary, and spearmint. The base powder also includes diatomaceous earth, which also deters many damaging insects. When combined, the base ingredients encapsulates the oils, offering months of repellent protection to coated surfaces. Depending on the amount of water added, the product may be used as a tree paste, brush on, or foliar spray. And a pint can makes up to 5 gallons of foliar spray. Apply the foliar spray for total plant protection to reduce transplant shock, improve cloning success, curb weather extremes, and repel most damaging pests. Apply as a brush on for thicker protection. Protect and seal from pests and disease. The product dries on porous, allowing moisture and nutrients to pass through, compared to latex and tar-based products that trap moisture and contribute to underlying rot. Ivory Organic is proud to be developing organic, effective, USA-made products to maximize the productivity, health, and life of all plants and trees. Many experienced growers will say the day you plant a tree is the day you whitewash with Ivory Organic. Keep growing with Ivory Organic and wishing you all happy gardening.